Wait a second. Wait. The blend is chef's kiss. Like, you wouldn't be able to tell me where my hair began and where it ended. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing some kinky straight clip-ins from Curlsqueen. This is what the packaging looks like. Give you some gifts, which is really nice. It comes with a silk reversible bonnet and a brush. This is the best quality hair bag that I've ever got. Like, everything about their packaging is luxurious and I love that. I know it's warm outside, which means more humidity, and that's why I think these kinky straight clip-ins are just going to be a really good texture, so that even if it's humid and your hair reverts a little bit, it's going to be fine. I got 22 inches of Curlsqueen's kinky straight texture, and it's really thick. Like, all you get is this one bundle of clip-ins. I think this will be enough for my whole head, so let's see.
I think I started something. I got what I wanted. Did not, can't feel nothing. Superhuman, even when I'm fucking grub, popping every single record. Auto tuning, zero emotion, muted emotion, pitch corrected, computed emotion. I blame it on a model bra with a Hollywood smile. Stripper booty in a rack like wow. Brain like Berkeley, better at Coachella. I went to see Chica, she went to CC trip.
Usually I like to make sure that my clip-ins are straight before I even start putting them in, but this time I just gotta do what I gotta do. So I cranked my flat iron all the way up because now I don't have to care about heat damage. So I'm gonna straighten it clip-in by clip-in basically. Yeah, but let's see how straight it gets because this is on 50. I've never even put my flat iron on this temperature before. Okay. And if you don't want to put too much heat on your natural hair, you can also just braid your hair up and clip the clip-ins right on top of your braid and just leave a little leave out at the top. I'm telling you, clip-ins are just such a good investment. There's just so much you can do to it. Wait a second. Wait. Look at how straight it got. This is the side I haven't touched yet. And this is this side. This is really cute. I mean, it's a lot. It's very long. I love how it's blending with my hair, I'm not gonna lie.
But it keeps on moving. I blame it on a model bra with the Hollywood smile. Stripper booty with the rack like wow. Never forget ya, you put me on a feeling I never had. And ever since I've been trying to get it back, you pick it up, put it back. Now I'm something like the chemist on campus, but there's no drug around. I like what I found in you. Anyway, she said don't let the high go to waste. Can you taste it? Little taste. Novocaine, baby. Novocaine, baby. I want you.
The hair is so thick that I had to literally sit there and flat iron each clip-in small sections. And I think I'm just gonna use 2 of the smaller ones. Just put it here and then I'll be done. But this hair is so thick. Like, look at this. I honestly recommend braiding your hair down and leaving out your leave out because it's just so full. It's a lot of hair. But let me add the last 2 pieces. And that's really it. It's pretty flat. It's really flat. Love that. Like, where am I going? I honestly feel like it's so full that I can't even take one out. But that's good because that means you're getting your money's worth. If it's so thick that you don't even need all. I took out the one with 5 clips because sheesh. And it doesn't look like I took anything out. So now, last but not least, let's just do our edges. I'm gonna be using the edge control from Amazon that everybody's been talking about. It smells so good. I'm gonna link it down below if you haven't tried it. It definitely gives your hair a good hold. You see that? Stuck. That's the final look. It looks so good. I hope you guys can really see it. The blend is so seamless. Wow, it's just the perfect texture if you have natural hair, like I'm telling you. Yeah, they're soft, they're really easy to straighten, they took heat really well. I believe they will hold a curl good too, especially if you're going with a wand. It's true to length. Of course I had some shedding, but it wasn't excessive. I don't have anything negative to say. I really like them. Just keep in mind, you know, if you do want to wear these in the summertime, keep in mind what length you want, because I feel like I would be so hot in this length. But fall and winter, yes, absolutely. The packaging was giving luxury, and then I love that I got this little pouch. Gold is my favorite color, so I'm very happy about this. You can also reverse it to the other side. Like, how cute is that? This is so cute. You got your detangling brush, which I should have used. I completely forgot about this. Should have used it. Ooh, I like this. Cute. Of course, you just have a few clips in case any of them came out. But yeah, like, I don't have anything bad to say about it. It's honestly, it's doing what it needs to do. This hair, I really am. Let me show you guys how much I had left over. Like, I still had this much left over. I love it here. I love it here, like, I really do. I love it here. Once you get your hands on a good quality batch of clip-ins like these, there's just so much you can do. You can do a ponytail, low ponytail, high ponytail, bun, half a cap down, side part, like literally anything. Seriously, thank you to Curlsqueen, because y'all really did that.
All the pretty girls involved with me, making pretty love to me, pretty, pretty.